My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called RZA. RZA is a special ransomware that belongs to the DHARM ransomware family. So it is a malicious program designed to encrypt data and demand payment for the decryption. In other words, RZA renders files inaccessible and tells victims to pay to restore access to their data. During the encryption process, files are renamed according to the following pattern: original file name, unique ID assigned to the victim's computer, cyber criminal's email address, and finally this RZA extension. So you may open the task manager of your computer and notice some strange processes running in the background. One of them can be related to this RZA ransomware. The problem is that you may open some files before they get encrypted, as I can now do, but at the lapse of some time I will no longer able to open my files. Because, as I said, all of them will be encrypted by this ransomware. So, as I told you, this special RZA extension will be added to them. And after the extension is added, I'm no longer able to open my files. And removing the extension does not decrypt the files. So that's the problem. On the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you will get your files restored. In the light of this information, I strongly recommend you not to pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. So this is what happens when the ransomware completes its malicious job. It gives you this scary alert saying that your files are encrypted. But as I told you, you should not pay the ransom to decrypt your files, because there is no guarantee that you will get your files back. I would recommend you to immediately download some available browser or open some available browser, for instance, Internet Explorer. And my recommendation is that you scan your computer with the program called Combo Cleaner by going to the site combocleaner.com, downloading the application, and scanning your system with this tool to remove this ransomware as soon as possible. Combo Cleaner will also help you to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.